Hey there, beekeepers! Just picked up your first package of bees? Let's walk through how to get them installed, step by step, in under 60 seconds. First things first, your hive should be set up and ready to go. Pick a sunny, sheltered spot. Remove 5 or 6 frames from the center to make room for the bees. Lightly mist your package with sugar water. This calms them down and makes them a little easier to work with. Give the box a gentle tap to knock the bees to the bottom. Next, remove the feeder can and take out the queen cage. This little lady is the heart of your colony. Pop the cork from the candy end and poke a tiny hole through the candy. Hang the queen cage between 2 center frames, candy end up. That way, her attendants can slowly chew through the candy and get her out over the next couple days. Now, shake the rest of the bees right into the hive. Yep, just like shaking salt. Set the empty box by the entrance so any stragglers can walk in. Add a feeder with 1:1 sugar water. Close up the hive and use an entrance reducer or to keep them from flying off. Check back in 3 to 5 days to make sure the queen's out and laying. That's it. You just installed your first package of bees.